This device here is a very simple light gate that we can use to measure the speed of objects. It's called a BEESpiV. So when you turn it on, the first thing that we have here on the right hand side, we can see M/S. Now if you press and hold select, it shows kilometers per hour, centimeters per second, or the standard SI unit of meters per second. So that's the unit that we're recording in. If we press start, we can see that begins to flash. And if I was to push maybe just one of my fingers through the bottom, it would give a reading of 0.35. So at that time, that's how quickly my finger was going. And the way it knows that is that at the bottom here, there are two sensors. And what we have is a beam of infrared light, and it basically knows that once one of the sensors is broken, it starts a timer, and then it stops the timer when my finger breaks the beam over the other sensor. And if it knows the time to go from here to here, and it knows how far they are apart, it can work out the speed of that object. The other thing we can do is if we were to maybe take repeated readings, so 0.55, 0.41, 0.42, what we could actually do is we could go back and look at that data again. So if I was to press select, it cycles through the previous 5 results. So this thing here, a very simple data logger that can be used to measure the speed of objects. Perhaps a cart which has a card on top of it, or maybe a glider on an air track. So this thing here is a very simple way of looking at the speed of an object.